From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Medellín offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on a comprehensive exploration of Guatapé, Colombia, via a meticulously planned itinerary designed for visitors seeking an enriching experience. Start from Medellín and commence your journey towards Guatapé, where you will engage in a detailed tour, led by a knowledgeable local guide upon arrival. Begin your day with a pickup service from your accommodations in Medellín. Subsequently, proceed to Guatapé, immersing yourself in its vibrant atmosphere and exploring its rich cultural heritage. Your guide will lead you through the picturesque streets adorned with artistic tiled facades, providing insights into the unique charm and historical significance of the era. Following the urban exploration, embark on a scenic boat ride along the reservoir. Experience a comprehensive adventure encompassing multiple activities during our tour, ensuring an unforgettable day filled with captivating moments. You will gain unparalleled access to Guatapé, observing the city from various viewpoints via helicopter flights over Lake Guatapé. This aerial perspective promises stunning vistas and enhanced appreciation for the natural beauty surrounding the area. Furthermore, ascend to the summit of Guatapé Rock, utilizing its staircases to capture panoramic views of the surroundings. This elevated vantage point offers breathtaking scenery, providing insights into the diverse landscapes below. Embark on an enriching exploration of Colombia's diverse historical tapestry through a guided tour that encompasses indigenous heritage, paisa cultural nuances, and contemporary events. Your journey begins with a pickup from your hotel, followed by a stroll through downtown Medellín. Firstly, delve into the rich history of the region at the Memory House Museum. This venue serves as an invaluable resource for those seeking to understand Colombia's complex past and current conflicts. Upon completing your visit here, proceed to explore Placita de Flores, one of the oldest parks in Medellín. Nestled within its confines, you'll find Botero Park, home to some of the renowned works of Colombian sculptor Fernando Botero. This exclusive guided tour from Medellín, led by an experienced coffee expert, offers visitors an immersive journey through the captivating world of coffee cultivation. Embark on this enlightening expedition to explore the rich history and craftsmanship behind high-quality beans, learning their intricate processes firsthand amidst lush greenery and scenic landscapes. Your culinary adventure begins at the picturesque Villa de Café, perched atop the Andean mountains. Here, immersed in natural beauty and aromatic flora, you'll witness the entire coffee-making process under expert guidance, ensuring every detail is meticulously observed. Embark on an exclusive guided tour through the enchanting botanical gardens and the bustling heart of downtown Medellín. Begin your journey with a convenient pickup from your accommodation, setting off towards the picturesque botanical gardens for a leisurely exploration. Marvel at the diverse array of flora and fauna within its boundaries, including exotic species and serene water bodies. Upon arrival in downtown Medellín, immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring works of art created by master sculptor Fernando Botero. His monumental bronze sculptures stand as symbols of cultural heritage and contemporary artistry. Wander along cobblestone streets, admiring the grandeur of historic churches, such as the old monasteries, and their intricate frescoes. Embark on an exhilarating adventure in Guatapé, Colombia, where you'll discover one of the country's most enchanting and vibrant regions. Immerse yourself in the charm of Rock of Guatapé, an iconic landmark followed by a leisurely exploration of Zocalo Square and Memory Street. With a knowledgeable local guide leading the way, you'll navigate the picturesque streets while enjoying panoramic views of the colonial architecture and scenic vistas. Departure begins from the designated location, embarking upon a winding mountainous route that culminates in the enchanting Casa Colombia in Maranilla, renowned for its exquisite buffet breakfast. As an aspiring traveler, prepare to embark on a captivating journey through the urban metamorphosis of Medellín. Colombia. Your first stop will involve meeting your knowledgeable guide, who will lead you on a memorable exploration via the bustling metro system. Upon arrival at Botero Plaza, immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring sight of the renowned 23 bronze sculptures created by Colombian artist Fernando Botero. Capture these iconic works with your camera and proceed to explore the lush botanical gardens, where you can admire an array of vibrant flora, diverse bird species, and fluttering butterflies.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.